I was like, that's not possible.
Lionfish.
You just came in and ate 2 lionfish off my spear.
No way, let's eat it.
Chomping on it.
I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
The sun is rising right now as we speak. It's a bit early. Millie's awake though, huh? You're awake? Guess who woke us up? Do you know who it was that woke us up? We heard our famous call that I haven't heard in 2 years.
Heard the sound and I was like, no way, no way, no way, no one else must know it. Or someone else must know it.
And so our friends from Wildly Intrepid, I guess, just had sailed in last night. Didn't tell us, but sailed in last night and then come by this morning. We're gonna go over and see them, catch up, drink some coffee.
Oh, you're definitely a crew member. Hi.
Oh.
So excited to see you guys.
Oh my God.
Who is it? Who is it?
Yeah, Coral?
Yes! Yay!
Finally reuniting with Cody and Therese.
We actually were gonna be super stealth. We had like 0 radio contact for the last like 20 miles because I didn't want you guys to hear us or something on the radio. And yeah, we just kind of decided, the last message we wrote to you guys, we just decided last minute that we were like, okay, screw it, we're going.
Yeah. All the way from Bimini?
From Bimini, yeah.
Oh wow, non-stop?
Yeah.
That's why I was like, are you guys tired or?
We only took a nap in Bimini. So it was like
a
bad nap.
So West Palm.
Yeah, West Palm was the last good night.
Oh my goodness.
West Palm, and you've been letting them, you've been nice? What do you think? Millie? Coral's coming? Coral? Yeah. Have you done this before? She's coming over here. To your boat.
First lobster of the season. Of the year. This is exciting.
We didn't even have to go fishing for it.
We're still gonna go fishing though. Don't worry, there'll be more.
Leggy, Rocky.
2 years had gone by since our quarantine hideout with Cory and Alex at Black Key in Bahamas. Since then, we had both had babies and our cruising ways had changed. Looking back, we have spent more hours in the water with these two than any other, and Cody and Cory were thrilled to finally be back out together, hunting for hours. This time, though, they encountered some competition. You might have heard people say, oh, nurse sharks are vegetarians, not dangerous to humans at all, or they don't care about you or your fish. Well, wrong. A quick Google search will tell you that although they're generally sluggish, nurse sharks slurp up benthic or bottom-dwelling organisms with amazing speed. They feed on spiny lobsters and other crustaceans, small stingrays, sea urchins, squid, and bony fish.
Okay, they will eat lionfish. You just came in and ate 2 lionfish off my spear. No way, let's eat it. Chomping on it.
Yeah.
I'm blinking hard now to prepare myself for not blinking.
It's right as it goes under.
Alright, here it comes. Oh, I didn't see it.
Oh yeah.
Alright. It is a windy day, a windy weekend. We're thinking about heading to the beach with beach day. Cory and how are you? Alex and Taylor. We're just getting all the things together to go to beach day.
When you're closing in, you know you're done. Thought you knew all the answers and knew what's to come. Trying not to be so
On the beach, I've been swimming in forever, which is kind of weird, but
they don't care.
gang's out here.
Cause people get so easily bored. You better stay in those arms forever, where happy thoughts can live again. Yeah, we got older but still good together.
Want some water?
Together, cause you and I, cause you and I.
So is this a new kite?
We got the
Which means it can rip, and now I'm the master For those of you that saw our previous episode, we had some kite trouble, to say the least. This time, we started with a kite that was a little more manageable, and that would kick off an epic windy day in the sun with good friends. This is cruising, or how cruising should be.
closing in, you know you're done. Thought you knew all the answers and knew what to come. Trying not to be so self-absorbed. They don't care, cause people get so easily bored. You better stay in those arms forever, where happy thoughts can live again. Yeah, we got older but still good together. Together, cause you and I, we got the vibe, we got the vibe. Yeah, you and I, still got the vibe, still got the vibe. Young ones come crashing down. They wanna feel the sun.
We're gonna go explore a little bit, find a blowhole over here. So we're on the north side of Black Point just now, or this is the bay. Yeah, we're gonna walk down. It's nice to be off the boat, even though it's so windy. It's just nicer on land, I guess. And to be able to stretch our legs a little bit, and it's so hot that it's actually not bad.
You're filling up fast, are you ready for ease?
I'm actually feeling a little water spray. It's like spraying the ocean. It's wild.
Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot.
Yeah, we were fishing here the other day. Definitely not that.
Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new?
And with every new amazing place comes the attempt of the amazing group shot. And of course, you want the biggest blow to complement it. But Mother Nature seemed to not want to play today, so let's say it took a little bit to get some jewels.
Many more come roll, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing.
So everyone coming by Black Point now has to bring some paint and some markers. Make your sign, make your mark on this tree. This baby Coral from Wildly Intrepid. This is MB from Millie, Breeze, and Vinyasa. Big obnoxious sign here is our proud selves. And Cruisers Beach. Alright, tagging YZA, YCA, and Young Cruisers Association. Tag yourself.
Just spying on them. Seeing when they're coming so we can be mentally prepared. Gonna host a little dinner / movie night. We're gonna bring out the projector that we haven't used since 2020. Hopefully it works. We're excited for everyone to come. Millie's asleep and we're just gonna have some dinner together. I see that Isabella over there. They're out and about, getting ready to jump in the dink.
Oh, there would never be any doubt. The name Buster Moon would go down in entertainment history. And I should know. Because I am Buster. Moon! Open this door!
We're actioning.
Oh my goodness. Double cameras. Well, Millie and I are ready. Millie and I are ready.